Oh. Hello everyone and welcome to episode 145 of The Castle, where I'm going to be moving some more stone. And yep, that's it. I'm going to move some more stone.
Try to police my thoughts, you don't get a say.
Oh, that sun is blinding. So very blinding. I got our first load of the day. There's load number one. Gotta get it all from there to there.
Out the way, you count my steps. I break the chain, you talk control, I talk rain. You want a cage, I want a door. You want a leash, I want more. Try that script I read.
Right, this is my halfway pile. I'm gonna move it all the way to the full way. I got it halfway last time.
You can circle the block, you can knock on the frame, but the lock in my chest got a different name. You lean in close, I don't flinch, I don't fold. One wrong move and the whole thing goes cold. Try to police my thoughts, I won't, and I will confiscate your sentience. Try to police my thoughts, I won't, and I will confiscate your sentience. You brought rules, I brought teeth. You brought noise, I brought heat. Every sweet little threat turned to ash. In my palm, you lose your grip.
Righty, it's load 3 for the day.
I stay calm.
Gonna transport it now.
I don't beg, I don't plead, I don't need your poison creed. If you reach for my brain, you leave with less, I take the flame. You can circle the block, you can knock on the frame, but the lock in my chest got a different name. You lean in close, I don't flinch, I don't fold. One wrong move and the whole thing goes cold. Try to police my thoughts, I won't, and I will confiscate your sentience. Try to police my thoughts, I won't, and I will confiscate your sentience. Bite down, hold that line. My mind is mine, 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 mine. Reach in, lose your hand. You don't command.
Wheelbarrow's a little overloaded. We've almost got through the pile.
Try to police my thoughts, I won't, and I will confiscate your sentience. Try to police my thoughts, I won't, and I will confiscate your sentience. Try to police my thoughts, I won't, and I will confiscate your sentience. If thought crime got a name, then I know my lane. I've been hearing walls breathe, I've been reading the stain. You on my mind on a leash, my hands on the chain. But I bite through the middle, and I spell out the pain. I'm the page that can't burn, I'm the line that can't break. Every eye in the room gets a blink, that's a state. I don't bow, I don't fold, I don't sell my own skull. If the state watch my silence, then the whole block goes full. You can watch my shadow, you can map my room, but you can't handcuff thunder, you can't jail the loom. I got fire in the marrow, got a riot in my name. When they come for the thinking, I come back the same. By any means necessary, by any means, by any means necessary. I'm not what you dream. Thought crime, thought crime. You can't police my mind. Thought crime, thought crime. I'm the breaking of the line. By any means necessary, by any means I rise from the papers and I win in the scenes. If they write me as a warning, I'll erase their ink. Put a boot on the room and make the loud ones think. I'm the thorn in the grammar, I'm the crack in the law. I'm the cough in the chamber that they all never saw. You can build your tall towers, you can stamp your decree. Still a cracked open window looks a lot like me. I was born with a question and a fistful of light. When the whole
Right everyone,
room is
the
sleeping,
ocean's
I'm the
coming
crack
in.
the night. You can
I got a little bit of
catch
progress. You can see we've got a nest. This is my cozy little nest. It's very cozy indeed. And we've still got the moat, the inside moat. The outside moat is just filling up as well. And I think I might expand the central tower out a bit and do whatever else. Just gonna sort of randomly wing it and see what happens. All those sticks seem to be holding together nicely. It's been many tides and nothing has changed. So yeah, also those iron beams definitely help, and the random iron bars I found washed up, they sort of hold everything together a little bit. They're not the main plates that hold it together, that's just gravity, but they make me have the psychological illusion of extra strength at least, even if it doesn't really exist.
Necessary. By any means. By any means. Necessary.